Hey guys, welcome back. I want to thank all you guys so much for liking and subscribing. As I've said before, I like to drop a video at least once a week to help you guys out when it comes to, making the right life insurance buying decision. So last week, I did speak on one way that life insurance companies don't pay out. I really spoke on contestability periods, which are basically a 2-year period for most states in America, to where, if you pass away, within 2 years, life insurance company basically has the right to investigate your application just to make sure you told the truth. If they do find any lies that you did tell, they can, they can make that their reason, by not, trying to pay out. But in this sort of part 2 video, I want to discuss the other ways, the other type of, I guess you could say, types of debts where life insurance companies will not pay out. Because I'm sure you hear, certain situations where life insurance companies do not pay, a person's claim out. So again, please subscribe as I get into drop these few reasons behind why life insurance companies will not pay out. What are the reasons a life insurance company would not pay out a claim? Now, when you apply for life insurance, you get approved, you get a policy in the mail, or maybe you get one through email, and they will have exclusions put in their policies. Now, every kind of policy might be a little bit different, but mostly, life insurance companies are not going to pay out, for most of the same things. So one of the biggest ones that life insurance companies do not pay out for is suicide. So, yeah, they don't pay out for suicide. Just keep it real honest. So if you do have a life insurance policy, just know that if that thought ever comes to your mind, they're not going to pay out. They don't pay out for that. Another reason why a life insurance company may not pay out is due if you're trying to, let's say you die in the commission of a felony. So basically, you try to rob a bank, and in the process, you get killed, they're not going to pay out. Or, let's say, you're out selling narcotics and you get in a shootout with the police and you die, they're not going to pay out. So if you're trying to commit a felony, and in the process of trying to commit that felony, you die, they're not going to pay out. Some companies might not pay out in times of war. Like I said, it's just some companies that might not do that. So if you're in the military, you go overseas, they might not pay out for that. And then one that a lot of people really don't know about is rioting, especially in times like these where people are going out and rioting. So my advice to you is, if you go out to a peaceful protest and it starts to get bad, leave. Because if you're caught up in a riot, if they try to basically make it out to say that you were a part of a riot, they will not pay out. So, like I said, suicides, they don't cover. If you are, if you die trying to commit a felony, they won't cover. And again, stuff like rioting, they don't cover stuff like that. But like I said, you definitely want to check your policy. Always ask your broker, are there certain situations to where they won't pay out? That way you get more educated, you know how to make the best decision going forward. But again, I want to thank you guys so much for liking and subscribing. Anybody interested that's seeing this video, looking to buy some life insurance, I'll definitely have my website in the description as well. But again, I'll be dropping another video next week, just to basically help you guys out with your buying process. So thank you guys so much. You guys have a good night.